Friends, welcome to my channel. It's General Knowledge by Advik Learn with us. Which is the festival of light? Diwali. What is national flower of India? Lotus. What is national game of India? Hockey. Which is festival of colors? Holi. Which is the largest mammal? Blue whale. What is national currency of India? Rupees. What is national tree of India? Banyan Tree. What is national anthem of India? Jana Gana Mana. Thank you. Subscribe my video.